Na mworoto jwa gukiria na kugwatira kana ga KAIJI maturene gukurukira cukuru ya ubundi note ya MERU National Polytechnic ana baune bamukirite mataro mwanya mwanya ja kubachokaniria ringi kuringana no tongereria bwa cukuru izi ni ati itumi byao bya kuona ni bobwega guchokaniria kana ga KAIJI ni kuringana na buria koririte maturene na kumane na bubu bamwe bedro bagitonyerera kirinda wa chambohita na riu boria kiraba koromba ni mugongo ikugwata mbaru kiri guchokaniria o ringi kana gaka ga KAIJI. Kelvin Kimathi ni akurikithia
iya njira ya ukirie na kuatila kana KAIJI kara KUULANA maturene mwankatha yutongore bwa shukuru ya ubundi na utia MERU National Polytechnic batongore to niluse gasheri baikite karo na ritobao kiri ubatariria na morozo yoshokaniria ringi kana kauka KAIJI maturene
Marieto yako iluse gasheri mbetera nde in charge of gender mainstreaming MERU National Polytechnic. Gender mainstreaming itogera kia muno kwenda kumenya ka kwenda kuona issues gender they equal addressed can equal treated equally. Na inkwenda kuga mbere ma principal weto na all the leaders of this institution ibatu tedagia muno na ibatu eja support. Na ikieto minya tomba ko organize event yeje kwareria manto ya boy child.
Kuringa na boni ati tumikine ne kyoka kuona iboya buru yekekaro na bao kulukiana ngirie mwe ikumani aburabe ite kuona kinyamara ya kikire na bao kulukira maturene muno kana KAIJI.
Boy child kana mwana moye no kulukira manto maingi ya karema ya moi rejection kana kwethira ate kwa valued na ari anja cieto na inyake among peers kana chore bao, and as a result of that no ntopo okethira bamwe iba kuimena na baimena okethira bena issues ja self esteem ni ara wiga gwa you are not fit to stand out origwa ija winyereketwe no tiomba kurungamanya mbere ya nto waria still okethira confidence level yao ye very low iko chini sana na manto jo jonde ija ba affecta muno nyake mathomo yao. Na even before that nkawa kwena challenge yere and drug abuse dere baregero na are anja ba umete na baregwa ne achore bao in most cases beta ke ndawa cha kulevya.
Our boys, our men are in trouble. The issues of drugs have become a menace. The issues of low self-esteem has become a menace. And therefore, today we are speaking out and saying it is the high time the society embraces the boy child. We've had several initiatives that are geared towards raising the esteem or empowering the girl child. But today we are saying it is the time that we, MERU National Polytechnic, speak about our boys and the boy child and say that let us work together to be able to ensure that the boy child is empowered. During empowerment, we will give them skills, we will give them resources to make them a all-round person. I want to note that in the MERU National Polytechnic, through the Dean's Office, we have various encounters or activities that are geared to ensuring that our students, both gender, male and female, are taken care of.
Bakinyile kuye kona kwa tombaru kile mubango yobambira buru yo kwatila kana KAIJI maturene.
Community leaders, especially our governor, our area MP, our MCAs, kwa tele mwana mwiba mokerie na mantome ngera mwana mwiti akwenda bake eta ba mo empower kenda mwana mwiti aithira aina mantome kande ene community itoko abatu ito iko tore ndi sana thai inye mwana mwiti wita kwariria mwari na kwithira akigwa ani sana akaigwa ate anirete kwariria mwari.
This rejection bamoibo chiunga na ikundi bibiejete you have heard about ibuike tunyake to memene to about LGBTQ bamokethira ibaere gay. Gays is where we have maybe two men cohabiting kananda kaijere kana what do I call them bage karabe bongo instead of maybe the being with the opposite gender.
Every weekend imbeta wa Kelvin Kimathi.